Okay, I use command line uh, for start server, cd udemy, um, type laravel. Okay, change directory to udemy laravel and write php artisan serve. And artisan is command line and powerful command line for laravel, and we can use our artisan for many work in laravel. Very helpful command line for laravel and method for laravel. I type php, close this, php artisan list, and see all command line of laravel. Okay, in simply make and migrate and optimize and query and route in laravel very simply with artisan. For help, that what is simply migrate, I write php and php artisan help migrate. Okay, migrate, see database, force patch, repatch, and seed and other. We can use migrate, we can connection to database, and use of php artisan help, for example make clear migrate and make. Okay, make error have make not defined, and make, for example make migrate, migration, and see php artisan help migrate, and change migrate model, see define and help of model. Okay, we can use of artisan for down server, for optimize file, for tinker and other many. For example, php artisan optimize clear, compiled view cleared, application cache cleared, root cache cleared, configuration cache cleared, and compiled service and package file removed. Cache cleared successfully. And we see 1 2 3 4 5 6 command line compiled, and for example root cache cleared, root cache and config cache, cache and config cache. We can just start php artisan optimize cleared, run 6th command line. Okay, for down, just type PHP artisan down, and application is now is sync mode. For check, open Laravel Udemy and refresh. Service unavailable. For running, just service is up. Okay, application is now live. Refresh and see Laravel.